They say it's how you show up. Not when it's easy, not when everyone's watching, but when nobody else is there.
Put in the work, not just on the court, but how you show up to work for you in your future. Reid State goes beyond the classroom. Getting involved in clubs, events, and everyday moments with friends build real connection. And when you feel connected, it shows. You stay motivated, engaged, and ready to push forward. Reid State isn't just where you earn a degree. It's where you found your home. It's a place where you belong. A place where you can be yourself. But the passion doesn't stop there. I choose excellence and a bright future for me.
If you want to succeed, take your shot with Reid.